this video, what I wanted to go through was an adductor foam rolling exercise. So this would be appropriate and important for someone that ends up having a growing strain when it comes to helping with the adductors, helping relax the adductors, helping when it comes to the adductors recovering from the injury. But it's not going to be the only thing that you end up doing when it comes to recovering from a growing strain. So let's go through the exercise. So here I am. So I'm lying down on the foam roller. So I can end up having a 3-foot foam roller, which I have here, or a 1-foot. With the 3-foot, I end up having the foam roller on the lower part of my leg. So from the below the ankle, up the shin to the knee, and I'm starting on the inside part of the knee. I have my rest of my body in like a plank position, and I'm rolling all the way up, right up into the private parts, all the way back down and up, moving in a nice, slow, controlled manner, really working in on those adductor muscles. And you can see I'm adding a little bit of internal rotation. So moving that leg, I can end up starting with that shin flat, and then I can start adding internal rotation in order to get different parts of that adductor. So there we go. So that ends up being the exercise, foam rolling out the adductors. Appropriate and important when it comes to having a growing strain, when it comes to the recovery of a growing strain, but it's not going to be the only thing that you end up doing.